Listen to the ocean. The waves are never in a rush. They arrive, touch the shore, and gracefully fade away. They remind us that everything in life is temporary. The hard days, the heavy moments, all that truly remains is this steady, beautiful flow of life. Remember, no single wave stays forever, yet the ocean remains timeless. You are far deeper than any of your worries. No matter what happens, hope always renews itself, just like sunlight dancing on the water. Just be here, right now. Let the water carry away your stress. Gentle up your heart and smile. You are stronger than you think, and the future is still holding so many wonderful days for you. Look at how the sky and the sea embrace one another, without any effort, without any rush. Sometimes, the greatest gift you can give yourself is simply letting go. Letting go of what you cannot control. People enter our lives, pass by, each carrying their own story. Life is simply this gentle passing. You don't have to control everything. Sometimes you just need to sit on the sand, take a deep breath, and let tomorrow arrive with kindness. Be calm, breathe, and let life unfold its beauty before you.